What's up all my fine girls? No Pimple is Whit here again with another video. So today I am back with an exciting video. So this is going to be my first impression on the new Beaute their Ambiance palette. And this is what the inside looks like. Let me just show you guys this right here. So they did send this over my way. They reached out to me. I'm going to be working on something else with this palette with the brand. And I was like, well, I didn't realize that the palette is not out yet. So I decided to go ahead and film with it. Obviously, this video will probably not be up until after they actually release it. Like, they have not even done their rollout for the palette. So this will be coming out pretty much when you guys, the palette has been announced. I did reach out to the brand to find out when that is. So don't be surprised if, because I'm going to be filming other videos today in the same top, so don't be surprised if you see a couple videos down and I'm wearing this. But yes, I am going to be filming with this today. It is so pretty. Let me just show it up again. Ooh, this is fall. This is a nice fall palette. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Let me go ahead and clip my hair back because I am very excited to play with this. When they sent this my way, I thought it was going to be their other palette. Like when we were talking in the email, I wasn't paying that much attention to what palette they were sending. I was like, okay, yeah, sure. And then I realized, wait a minute, is this out yet? I'm gonna be priming with the Makeup Revolution eyeshadow primer. Is this out yet? And I went to go look at their Instagram page and I realized, oh, this is not out at all. So this is actually very exciting for me. Ooh. Beaute has definitely become a brand that I have really grown to like. When I first tried them out, it was with their Tropical Vibes palette, and I was like, oh yes. And then obviously you guys saw me do the video with the Paletopoly palette, and from that video is when I got into contact with the brand pretty much, and they're a delight to work with. I could say that. Ooh. I am just dropping things. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes. Okay, so eyes have been primed. All right, so let's go ahead and jump into this palette. All right, so let's see. What I have in mind is I want to first go into this shade right here. This is called Cozy, and then move over to this shade called Bustling. Like, I want to just play with all, like, okay, so like this shade's catching my eye, this shade, this shade, this shade, this shade, this shade, pretty much the whole palette. But I think I'm gonna first go into this shade, and then I might jump into this shade next, and then this one. So yes, let's go ahead and get to that. All right, you guys, it's like officially fall. What has been going on? Okay, Hocus Pocus 2, I watched the movie. I didn't think I was gonna like it because the trailer looked like it's gonna be like one of those like standard, like there's a certain type of acne that Disney does like with the kids, like I don't know how to explain it, but like where it's just like I don't really find y'all funny, and like I feel like the original Hocus Pocus had like a darkness to it with a little bit of some comedic relief to it. And I felt like this one was gonna be too playful. It was in a sense, but it was actually pretty good. So I did enjoy Hocus Pocus 2. What else? Like I feel like I haven't talked to you guys in forever because I'm not buying makeup like at the rate that I was. So honestly, I just really don't have much to film. Like because I'm not buying a lot of these palettes, like there's not really much for me to film sometimes. And then also I am busy too as well, but you know. So it's nice like when a palette like this comes out and I'm able to get my hands on it because I'm able to review for you guys. And I don't know how long this phase is gonna last. Like I feel like with everything in life you go through seasons and phases, and right now I'm just in a phase where I'm just not buying makeup like that. But y'all, this color actually shocked me because I didn't think it was gonna be dark enough. But yes, yeah. I love it. She is cute. I like this color. Like I actually really. Ooh, Beaute might just be onto something with this palette, y'all. This is definitely a gorgeous palette. There's actually something I did want to talk to you guys about. So I don't know. Okay, so I work from home, right? So pretty much my day-to-day routine is I spend a lot of time at home. My school is pretty much online, so I don't have to go in person for the most part. And where I go work out, like my gym, and then the park that I like to work out at, it's like 6 minutes from me. So pretty much what I'm trying to get is that I don't have to drive often anymore now, right? Because I'm working from home. And I think I've developed a fear of driving, at least driving on highways. I didn't realize it was a problem until the second time it happened. I was on a major highway and I literally started having like a mini panic attack. Okay, I love this color, so I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the Bustling shade, that green shade right here. With me not having to drive often because I work from home, and then also like I love bangs, and I have recently cut bangs out. Like I stopped drinking those energy drinks because I would have one every day pretty much during the week for work. And I was talking to my friend and she's like, you know, you're drinking all that caffeine, possibly with you sitting down all day, because I do sit down for work, it might be a lot of unused, like you're taking all that caffeine in but you're not using it, and it may be causing some sort of anxiety. I don't know, but I don't know, has this happened to any of you guys? But I'm trying to figure out. I've been praying about it. I'm just like, I cannot live life like this. But like pretty much I avoid going certain places if they're too far. Like I don't like driving. It really just, it triggers me, and I hate this feeling. But I don't know, I'm trying to find the brush that I want to use next. Okay, because I'm loving this. Ooh. Actually, you know what I want to do is go back into that cozy shade, and because that green shade I put down, it kind of took some of it away. So I want to just take that cozy shade and just go above this green, just so it can still be, you know, a little apparent. I don't know if this is black or navy. It looks like a navy black, but I would say it's more navy. Yeah, I would say it's more navy. I'm gonna take that shade and I'm gonna go with this pencil brush, and I'm going to go ahead and place this in my outer V. Are any of you guys going to get this palette? Let me know down below. I think she's a cutie. Like, I don't know if I would have bought her on my own, just because I'm just not really into, okay, let me think about it this way. Because I'm not into buying makeup right now, I probably would not have bought her. But if I was in my crazy makeup phase, oh, I would have bought her. So that's kind of like my consensus, because I do like the color story on this palette. I do. And Ace Beaute has a really nice formula. Like the mattes, like they're matting. Like look at the pigment. Pigment. Okay, pigment, honey. And so I'm gonna take this brush. Actually, no, I'm gonna take this brush. It's the shade that I used to put that bustling shade on, because I did switch brushes. So anyways, okay, I'm gonna take the brush that I used to grab that bustling shade because it has some of it left over. And I'm just gonna go ahead and blend out this. Or you know what? I think I kind of want to do a cut crease today, because I haven't done one in a while. But I don't know if I want to do like the blue all over. Okay, no, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out, and I'm gonna go and fade it this way. And then I think I might go on like a detailed pencil brush to kind of like define that area with this navy blue. You know who has been taking all my money? Aritzia. Like when I say, I had like this past week, I had like 4 separate orders coming from Aritzia. Like I am obsessed with Aritzia. Also, by the way, today is October 8th that I'm filming this video. And oh, what the heck is that? Oh, is that primer on my phone? How did that happen? Today's October 8th that I'm filming this, and tomorrow's October 9th. You know what that means? Potomac is back. So if you don't watch Real Housewives, I love Real Housewives, okay? I pretty much watch every city except for Orange County, New York, and I never watched Dallas before it went off air. So yeah, every other city I watch. The Ultimate Girls Trip I watch. I don't watch any of the international cities just because it's hard to find where to watch them at. But yes, Potomac is finally back. I'm so glad Atlanta's over with, because this was a really boring season. Like, you know, I love my Atlanta ladies, but y'all gotta shake the cast up, or bring, y'all need some dynamic characters, okay? Like Kenya's good, you know, she definitely is a good TV villain, but we need like a Nene, we need like a Portia. Pretty much Nene is gone. You sued the network, baby. That bridge has been burned to the ground. But like a Portia or somebody, we just need a dynamic character, because I just felt like this season was just dry. I feel like Marla was just trying to create some beef, and then she backpedaled at the reunion, and I was just like, okay, whatever, you know. But Potomac, oh my goodness, I am excited. I feel like that is such an amazing, like they did such a good job casting. Like I love that franchise. I'm so glad that Beverly Hills is coming to an end, and you know, we're finally at the reunion, because honestly, Beverly Hills is a trigger watch sometimes, because they be really pissing me off. I feel like Garcelle don't be doing enough as a Black woman when it comes to just reading these ladies' filth, but you know what, at the same time, I don't think it's her personality. And also I think she, you know, she has to kind of play it safe, because a lot of the things that you will see these white women doing, if a Black woman does it, she's not the angry Black woman. Like, why are you being so aggressive? She's like, Lisa Rinna, you literally broke a glass, almost choked Kim, but because she's a white woman, it's like, you know, like, it's like sometimes it's triggering. So it's like, I feel for her. It's like, she can't really just, you know, go off, I think, the way she wants to. And also, I don't think it's her personality, but I need them to add a character who can read Lisa Rinna down for filth. Like, literally call out the BS that's on this show. Like, Ugh. And you know, Erica Jane, y'all, I'm so bummed by like her behavior, because she used to be my favorite. Like, I love me some Erica, but this past season I was just, I don't know. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease here. Okay, so the crease has been cut. I know for sure I want to really play with this shade right here called Charming. This one for sure. This one right here too is what's called Candlelight. So I might do this like on the inner part of my eye and then go into that here and then follow back up with like this shade to blend them together. I think that'll be really cute. So I'm gonna take this brush right here, and this is a Sephora Pro 15 brush. And I'm gonna go into the shade Candlelight, and I'm gonna put that down. Oh, this right here. It's just gorgeous. I love orangey shades like this. So I'm gonna go into the shade Charming now, that purple. So I'm gonna first just place them down, and I'm gonna go back in and blend them. Don't worry, guys. Okay, so now I'm gonna take that same purple shade, and I'm gonna start like marrying these two colors into each other by like kind of blending over like that orange. And you guys see how that's like nicely blending into each other? Ooh, yes. Now let's go and do the other side. And I left a little bit of some room here because I think I want to actually put a another shimmer down in the inner corner. Oh, I like that. Yeah, I definitely want to put another shade in the inner corner. So I need another brush. I'm going to take this one right here. This, what is this? Morphe 210 brush. And I'm going to go into the shade called Magical, which is just like this like gold champagne color. And I'm going to put that in my tear duct. And I'm going to kind of like bring that out a little bit. I like that. Okay, and then taking the brush that I used to put that orange shade down with the Candlelight, I'm gonna go ahead and just like kind of like blend over that to marry these two colors better together. The Magical shade and these two together. Yes. I like that. Okay, and now we're gonna go ahead and fix this little part where I left a little blank. I'm gonna go back into that Moody shade, and I'm just gonna go ahead and blend this into the purple that I left. Wait. Oh my gosh, I have not done like a look like this in a minute, like a fun look. Like I have been into my neutral tone, so wow. This is actually kind of fun. This is actually kind of fun. And I'm gonna go back into that Charming shade, that purple, and I'm gonna blend back this way to marry those two colors into each other. I like that. All right, and then back to what I was trying to do with that Moody shade with the pencil brush. I'm gonna go into this pencil brush again, and now I'm going to go ahead and just kind of define this part. Brushes down. I think this is the final look. I like her. I like her. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, she's gonna be even prettier once everything is done. So I'll be back to show you guys the completed look and give my final thoughts. All right, guys, so this is the completed look, and I love it. As I always say at this point, I think I mean, she's cute. I mean, she's cute. She's a moment. She is gorgeous, okay? And the orange is just, you know, adding to the whole thing. Like I really wasn't trying to, you know, matchy match, you know, because some of y'all be trying to call me out about the fact I like to match, but you know, it's fun, okay? But I mean, she's a mom. So let me go ahead and show you guys again. This is their Ambiance palette, and this is the inside of it. This is literally perfect for fall. This is a gorgeous fall palette. How much is this palette gonna be? I don't know. I'm assuming it's gonna be the same price as their other 15 pan palettes. I don't know. I didn't even know that this was gonna be sent to me. I knew it was gonna be sent to me, but I didn't realize it was this palette, and so it's not out yet. I still have not, it's Saturday. I don't think I made a response until Monday. So I sent them the email last night on Friday evening. But yeah, you guys, this palette is gorgeous. I think she's cute. Okay, so hopefully by the time this video goes live, the palette will be available. So yeah, I definitely recommend, okay? I think Ace Beaute has an amazing formula, and I love the way my eyeshadow looks, okay? So yeah, that's that with today's video. Oh, sometimes I forget about the lip that I have on, but let me go ahead and tell you guys, because you know, some of y'all be wanting to know what do I have on. Hold on. Okay, so on my lips, I'm wearing the NYX Espresso lip liner, of course. And then for lipstick, I'm wearing, this is the Shayla X ColourPop. This is old. I don't think it's being sold anymore. This is part of her collaboration with ColourPop, and it's the shade Slow Down. This is what it looks like. It's just one of their like ultra satin lips. And then for lip gloss, I'm wearing the Makeup Revolution. This is their lip gloss, and it's in the shade Sheer Hustle. So that is what I have on my lips today. And you guys, of course, saw the eye makeup. But yeah, that's that with today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Comment down below if you plan on picking this palette up. Let me know what you thought about it. Do you like the look? You know, just go ahead and sound off in the comment section. And until next time, I'll talk to you beauties later. Bye.